Hi everyone. Now let's see our second lesson. What is our second lesson? That is pronouns. Okay, do you know what are the pronouns? Can you guess a definition for this? A pronoun is a word that replaces the noun. That means pronouns are helpful because we won't have to keep repeating the same nouns again and again. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? මේ අපි pronouns පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ එකම subject එක repeat වෙන එක වළක්ව ගන්න අපි මෙන්න මේ pronouns පාවිච්චි කරනවා. There are many types of pronouns, but today we are focusing on subject pronouns. What are the subject pronouns? The subject pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are subject pronouns. Do you know the meanings of these pronouns? I කියන්නේ මම. We අපි. You ඔයා. They ඔවුන්. He ඔහු. She ඇය. It එය. These are the meanings of these subject pronouns. There are two types of these pronouns, that are singular pronouns and plural pronouns. What are the singular pronouns? The singular pronouns are I, he, she, it, you. These are singular pronouns. What are the plural pronouns? The plural pronouns are we, you, they. These are plural pronouns. Right, now let's see an example for these pronouns. John scored the highest marks. In here, the subject is the John. We can use a pronoun for this sentence. That is, we can use the pronoun he. Then our new sentence is, he scored the highest marks. Right. Okay, that's all for today. Now, I'm going to wind up my video. Thank you for watching. We will meet in our next video. Goodbye.